Harvest is an exciting time for us at Skipstone. The whole year has come to this moment. Our crew gets here at 2 a.m. to start harvesting the fruit, and they start making the selections of the best quality fruit they've grown to bring off the vine and move to the winery. It's a wonderful celebratory atmosphere where we look to the exciting possibilities of what this vintage will bring for our wine. Because the vineyard is so dynamic with all the hillsides and each of the 42 individual blocks, it takes a lot of care and organization to harvest everything so that each little area of our vineyard can speak for itself through the vinification process.
So we do our first level of selection at the vineyard while we're picking, only picking the absolutely perfect looking clusters. When we get to the winery, there will be a second level of sorting at the cluster level. A bunch of people will be sitting around a table and picking the right good-looking clusters again. After the grapes are destemmed, we do what we call berry selection, where we select only the perfect berries to go into the tank.
Skipstone wines are made at the state-of-the-art facility at Vineyard 29, where we make use of their gravity flow system to maximize the quality of the wines. After the secondary cluster sorting, the fruit is destemmed and then whole berries are examined to make sure that only perfectly ripe fruit gets into the wines. After berry sorting, the fruit is then gravity fed into tank where it undergoes cold soak and native yeast fermentations and begins the 3-year journey under the guidance of winemaker Philippe Melka to become Skipstone Oliver's Blend.